video. In this video, we're going to explore the MTN app, MTN mobile app, the airtime mobile app, and the Glow mobile. We're going to see how they work. So click Play Store. Search for MTN app. I already have it here. It says update, so I'm going to update. So let's open it now. So this is the main number which we have to log in. If it's the first time you are doing this for the MTN app, you have to log in to your number or other means to register. So usually after this is done, a notice is sent to that particular number. So wait for the OTP now to be sent. So yeah, officially logged in now. So as you can see, this is the MTN. Let's explore the app now. So this is the airtime, this is data. There are some top keys here. I see it has the MTN fiber, the roaming. You can share, so you can share airtime, so offers. It has other features. You can see the stores. There are stores here. You can use. You can explore. This is the main. This is the marketplace. Click the MTN section here. You can see different MTN features. So we have upgrade to store the MTN 5G and the MTN collection, so you can earn stuff and MTN e-shop where you can purchase items. Then the fund, this fund here, you have other features here. You can see under funds, then under transport, you can see the taxi app here. Then shop, you have to see shop. You can order online depending on location. Then to travel, you see ads. Under ads, there are stores you can do some health related issues, things. Then you have finance. Then you have utilities, things like that. So you can add. This MTN app allow you to add numbers. You can see a single number here. You can add number. You click on this more here. You can see usage history, action history, marriage numbers, babies, stuff like that. And other features attached to it. You click on. The app is a bit complicated app. Then you can see features. Usually you can see 2 gig. You can type it for now, then price for today. You can claim it here. And let's click on this top list. See how it is. So this is and these are specific to your number. You can see no cash and airtime here. It's not hybrid for video plan. So we have see how it is. So let's click each. Click on this now. See it. on this, you can see it. Same of it, so this is how it works. Then double your data engine, double about 70 extra 70 bonuses. So if you buy your data through the MTN app, you stand the chance of doubling your data. You have more bonuses than when you buy directly from your phone bank app. So that's how it works. So that you can see it here, it's on the expressing style anyway. So this is it. This is the MTN app. Card, that number, card number. First is the race rate and card number, card number. So that's card number. So this is where you can check notification. So you can check the notification here. You can see the notification here. This is where you see that you send the MTN ZD, the AI message, the internet, and chat it here. So the app is a bit on the convoluted side. Click your account details here. You see account summary, tariff plan, blah blah blah. You can log out here, just like that. So the app is a convoluted app. So you can click in here, click play. The app is a bit convoluted and it requires you to always, anytime you want to log in, it require an OTP that is sent to your number, or is the number you use in logging, registering the app. So you need constant OTP. So this is the MTN app. This is how it works. This is how it is. I see it. You can buy airtime here from it, but you have to pay through the MTN Momo on your bank. If you want to buy airtime, you have to, as you can see, you can either buy for yourself, buy for others, and stuff like that. Put the amount you want to, just like that, and proceed. When you proceed, so just like that, you can pay with Momo, pay with bank transfer, pay with cards, and just like that. So that's what the MTN, that's what the app. The app is almost like the mobile bank app. So you can buy for yourself and others. Same thing applies to data, just like that, and data bonus, blah blah blah, and data bonus, data social bundle. You can buy for others and buy for yourself. So that's how it works. So this is the MTN app. So thanks again for joining us to explore the MTN app. Let us proceed to see how the other network app is. So thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, comment on our channel. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment below. Thank you for watching.